Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of customer lifetime value. But don't worry, we'll make it fun, educational, and easy to understand. So grab your popcorn and let's get started. Tip number 1. Strengthen customer relationships. Building trust and fostering loyalty is crucial. How do you do that? Well, it's all about exceptional customer service. Make sure to respond promptly to inquiries and concerns, showing your commitment to customer satisfaction. And hey, have you thought about loyalty programs? They are not just for coffee shops anymore. Incentivize your customers to engage more with your brand and watch that lifetime value soar. Tip number 2. Encourage repeat purchases. We all love a good deal, right? So why not offer special discounts or exclusive offers for your returning customers? Loyalty points are also a powerful tool to keep them coming back for more. And if you want to take it to the next level, consider subscription models. They provide convenience and value, ensuring a steady revenue stream. It's a win-win situation. Tip number 3. Upsell and cross-sell like a pro. You know your customers better than anyone, right? Use that knowledge to your advantage. Analyze their purchase history and behavior to identify opportunities for upselling or cross-selling. Offer relevant product upgrades or suggest complementary items that enhance their overall experience. Not only will this increase the average order value, but it will also show your customers that you truly understand their needs. Talk about a win-win. Tip number 4. Collect and act on feedback. We can't stress this enough. Listen to your customers. Regularly gather feedback through surveys, reviews, or direct communication channels. This valuable insight will help you improve your products, services, and overall customer satisfaction. And remember, actions speak louder than words. Implement necessary changes based on the feedback received and promptly address any concerns. Show your customers that you're committed to their happiness. Last but not least, tip number 5. Offer value-added services. Give your customers that extra wow factor. Provide educational content like tutorials or guides that help them maximize the benefits of your product. Extend warranties or provide exceptional after-sales support. And let's not forget about exclusive membership benefits. Early access to new products or personalized offers will make your customers feel like VIPs. Trust us, they'll stick around for the long haul. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to improving customer lifetime value. Remember, it's all about building strong relationships, encouraging repeat purchases, upselling and cross-selling, collecting and acting on feedback, and offering value-added services. So go out there and make your customers feel like superheroes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit futuremax.com for more awesome content. See you next time.